Well, recently I've paid a school a visit, and you know, while I was there having a conversation with some of the children, I asked this child who was passionate about social studies, and I asked the child, what is Uganda's main cash crop? And the child told me, corruption. Now, well, I don't know about that, but when I was growing up, we were taught that Uganda's main cash crop is coffee. Coffee, and I still do believe that agriculture is the backbone of Uganda, coffee being the main cash crop. Now, I met this young girl. She is passionate about coffee. She's arguably Uganda's youngest barista. Her name is Noela Tugume.
Noela Tugume. Noella is a barista. She is an espresso machine coffee artist. This is someone who has extensive knowledge about coffee and prepares, decorates, and serves drinks to the customer. Noella can serve an exceptional espresso milk-based cappuccino and a signature beverage all at the same time. It's not easy being a barista. It's important to appreciate the skills that Noella has had to acquire and the challenges she often faces in her fond career as a barista. For Noella, it's her greatest pleasure to bring this world-class coffee to you as her customer and, most importantly, as a friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome with me, Noella! Woo! Noella, good to have you on the show. Wow, you can have a seat, Noella. Wow, you seem to love coffee so much. Why do you love coffee?
Because it inspires more people to love the coffee. It's actually a concentrated drink.
Yeah.
A concentrated coffee drink.
Wow. What kinds of coffee are there? The types of coffee do you know?
There's a cappuccino, macchiato, affogato. There's even cafe latte, cafe mocha. There are lots.
The mean, it sounds like you're speaking French, you know? Le temps buvons café, le temps social, oui, all those are names, eh? Wow, me growing up, I knew only two types of coffee. Yeah, I knew there was coffee olomide and coffee anan. Have you heard of those ones? You've never heard of those ones? Yeah, those were very tough kinds of coffee. So, tell me, which one do you love preparing?
A cappuccino.
A cappuccino. What's involved in a cappuccino? How do you make it?
You have to put espresso in, and you have to steam your milk. Mm-hmm. You pour it. You have to make art. So that's a cappuccino.
You make art on top of like a flower or a name.
And a cappuccino must have a lot of froth.
Of froth?
Yes.
Oh, that one which is like a foam, eh? Which I see people go like, that one. Oh, why should it have it?
If it doesn't have that much froth, it's not a cappuccino, but it's a latte.
It's a latte. Oh, the difference between a cappuccino and a latte is the foam. I hear people who drink coffee don't sleep. When you take it, do you sleep?
No.
You don't sleep, you keep awake. Wow. So, who taught you how to make these kinds of coffee?
Someone in Coffee City.
Yes, Coffee City.
Yes, so my father said that she trains us.
Oh, your father took you to Coffee City to be trained by that person?
Yes.
Oh, so do you see yourself running a coffee business in future?
Yes.
And what will you call it?
I'm not sure about that.
We can figure out a name. Like maybe Noella Coffee, Café di Noella, something like that, you know? Something nice, yeah? If there are kids out there who want to learn how to make coffee, what advice do you have for them?
That that they can learn, and it will inspire them, and it will inspire more people to make coffee.
Make more coffee.
Yes.
Have you ever made coffee for your mom?
Yes.
What did she say?
She liked it.
She liked it. Did she ask for more?
No.
Hey, does mommy allow you to drink 2 cups?
No, she will not allow me to take 4.
Hey, but 2 is better than 1. Do you know that? Like if you drink 2 cups of tea,
Yes.
you become healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Yes.
If you drink 3, it doesn't balance. Then you have to drink 4.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for... Thank you so much for choosing to watch my YouTube channel. And yes, remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe, yes. And hit the bell to be the first to know when we upload the latest video. Remember as well to share with your friends, relatives, outlaws, in-laws, everybody. And let's be happy together. Happiness is a kidding me diggity. I'll see you when I see you.